Kia ora guys, how's it going? Now, I know it's been a while since I made a video and I've been meaning to make this one for a while, but I finally got round to it. I did feel a bit like I wanted to make sure our house looked amazing before I went and did it, but to be honest, a house that you live in is never going to look like a Pinterest house, is it? So we moved in December last year, just before Christmas. It was a bit crazy. Our last place, although it was quite nice to look at, especially when we first moved in, ended up getting a lot of mold and slugs. It was really weird. We kind of, being new to the country, thought that maybe slugs were like the cockroaches or ants of the UK, but whenever I talked to anyone about slugs, everyone was like, this is really weird, that is disgusting. So we decided we should probably move, and we moved to a place in an area more where we kind of hang out most of the time, so it's really nice. It's only about 40-minute, oh Babu, these are bunnies. It's only about a 40-minute walk to town, and then to like where I do lots of my shopping and things like that, it's only about a 10 to 7-minute walk. Hey bunny, he's settled in really well. Yes you have. Yeah. So without further ado, I will show you a bit of a tour of our new place. This one is a 1-bedroom flat, again, a lot smaller. We are the first floor flat, so we're not kind of basement level this time. We don't have our own parking, so we have to have permit parking. But yeah, hope you enjoy. Let's go. And welcome to our place. So we're coming through the front door. Just to the left when you walk in the door is a lovely shoe rack that Brendan built, made from various pieces of IKEA furniture. I absolutely love it, and he included the dog butts for our keys, which is awesome. And just above that is a jazz print from my parents. To the floor we've got my yoga mat, our umbrellas, and my skateboard. And then we have the awesome light display I made, which I've got a few cards that I collected over time, which I absolutely loved. Then we've got a collection of mirrors to create a compact full-length mirror. So from the hallway we then turn left and we find the bathroom. So once the noisy light is turned on, you can see our hood grooves, the crap toilet paper, and a collection of random things on the wonky shelves. Got the usual shower bath setup, and then in the corner the stuff that no one ever shows on TV. Other little bits and bobs, makeup storage, and sink. Yep, your general bathroom stuff. From the bathroom we then turn to the left to the bedroom. So it's a 1-bedroom flat. This is obviously where Brendan and I sleep. Firstly, you can see our gorgeously made bed. Haha, do that every morning. And just up from there you can see the awesome wardrobe Brendan built and his lovely hockey jerseys. I love this wardrobe. Then we've got my setup with jewellery, little knickknacks. I made that jewellery tree, which I love. Rarotongan, china, and exciting little knickknacks from home. And my shoe collection, which I've had to narrow down a lot. Unfortunately, we've got no side tables, and then cozy things on the door. So out of the bedroom we come, and we're back into the hallway. So immediately, there is where we came in. Come through here, and straight in front of us, we're just going to head into the lounge. First off, you can see Brendan's mess of a desk, followed by the rest of the lounge. It's a bit small, but it makes do. Got some awesome little pieces of art I've picked up around Bristol, and our big map of the world with little ladybirds to show the places we've been to together, as well as Brendan's comic book pictures. I can't wait to add more ladybirds to this poster. Then we've got Brendan's messy desk again and his D&D collection, which he's super into. This is a storage of random stuff, and then recycling. Really need to sort this corner out a bit. Got my bunting from New Zealand birds, my favourite little plant, a little bunny from Mum from Portugal, cheesy photo of Brendan and I, moving on down, little recipe books, and then back to general storage of random stuff. Got bag storage on the door, just making use of height as much as possible. Got our funky little setup. It only came with a built-in mini fridge, which didn't quite do us. I love our collection of random magnets. Try and get one every country we go to. And there's the cute little bunny wondering what his mum is doing. Love my plants. Little knickknacks again from around the world, and I just love putting random things. My dad's painting, which I love. And from moving on down, we've got the TV, booze, random books. I mean, it's just a collection of all sorts, really. PlayStation, how many gaming implements we have, I don't know. Got our chalkboard table, which I love. Awesome couch, and oh, there's the bunny again. I mean, he really just wants to be involved in all this, doesn't he? My little window plant setup, I pulled the blinds down just so you could see a little bit. Again, just little random knickknacks, more books. Those IKEA shelves are amazing for storage. These tables are full of games and D&D stuff. So that's the exciting lounge, and then from the lounge door we turn to the right and we head to our tiny little kitchen where we also have a washing machine. No dryer though, really missing the dryer. And off to the kitchen we go. So it's just through here. We've got the general setup. It's quite pokey, but I quite like it. So washing machine, up to the waste bin, food waste, dishes, yada yada yada, stove, trying to keep as much bench space as possible, reusable bread bags, awesome spice rack, Pabu setup. So Pabu spends the days in the kitchen, and he generally has a good hot round in there. Oh, he's so cute. Oh, just love him. So cute. Moving on up, I just thought I'd show you we've got a bit of overhead storage here again, making the most of height. Bit ugly, but you can't see it too much. Blackboard to write what we need on. Spice rack that Brendan made and I absolutely love. Got the reusable bread bags there. Try again with as zero waste as possible. Moving on around to the fruit, zero waste containers, and again, just to show you that we do that. I hope you enjoyed that quick tour of our flat. As I say, it's not beautifully done up and everything, it's just what we want. It's cozy, it's got reminders of everywhere we've been, and the bunny loves it. He's so excited because I'm not working today, so he gets to run around, doesn't he? We really enjoy our place here. I'm sure we'll kind of gather a few more things. We're hoping to stay here for the rest of our time. We have yet to discover any quirks, definitely no slugs, and Pub was very happy about that because he was getting very sick of sharing his food with slugs at night. Anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed that. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Click down below to subscribe if you want to see more of my random stuff. We're heading off to Poland in a couple of weeks, so that will probably be the next video. I hope I've satisfied your nosiness for now because, let's be honest, we all have an element of that. And I will catch you next time, guys. Ka kite, bye! He is being ridiculously cute for the camera. You're being so sweet. Where are you gonna go? Oop, oop.